In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use bulk operations in MetaTrader 5. If you manage more than one trade at a time, bulk operations can save you a lot of time and help you stay organized. Instead of adjusting or reviewing positions one by one, MetaTrader 5 lets you access group actions directly from the trading area. This is especially useful when markets are moving quickly and you want a faster way to manage multiple orders or positions without unnecessary repetition. To get started, go to the section of MetaTrader 5 where your orders or open positions are displayed. Take a moment to make sure you are looking at the correct list before making any changes. This is important because bulk actions can affect more than one trade at the same time, so you always want to confirm that you are working in the right place. Once you are there, right-click on the orders or positions. This opens the context menu, which gives you access to several actions related to trade management. If you are new to MetaTrader 5, this menu is a very common place to find quick controls, so it is worth getting comfortable with it. From that menu, click on Bulk Operations. After selecting it, MetaTrader 5 will show the available actions you can apply to multiple trades at once. The exact options may vary depending on whether you are working with pending orders or active positions, but the key idea is the same. This feature allows you to handle several items together instead of repeating the same action manually on each one. As you use bulk operations, move carefully and review what you are selecting before confirming anything. Since this tool is designed for speed and efficiency, it is helpful to slow down for a second and double check that the trades you want to manage are the ones currently visible in your terminal. That small habit can help prevent mistakes. Bulk operations are a simple but powerful feature inside MetaTrader 5, and once you start using them, they can make trade management much smoother. If you regularly work with multiple entries, exits, or pending orders, this is one of those small workflow improvements that can make a big difference over time. That's all you need to do to access bulk operations in MetaTrader 5. Open your list of orders or positions, right-click, and select bulk operations from the menu. Once you get familiar with it, this becomes a quick and practical part of your trading routine.